Hey, what's up guys? It's Fungus Journey, and today's video is going to show you how you can get rid of your nail fungus using apple cider vinegar. I'm going to show you guys two different ways, so you have multiple options when it comes to this, and I actually want to show you guys some results first to show you guys, this is the real deal. I scoured the internet and I found this guy who actually used apple cider vinegar to go ahead and treat his nail fungus. He used it for about 3 weeks, and then it ultimately cured his nail fungus. He just let the nail grow out. So first things first, let's just show those results. So obviously guys, this works, and watch to the end because I'm going to tell you exactly how he did this. And before we get started, I just want to say, if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and also the notification bell, because then you'll know when I upload a video and you're not going to want to miss that. So let's hop right into it. What you guys are going to need for this process is going to be a foot bath, some apple cider vinegar, which you can pick up at your local grocery store for pretty cheap, and then a 1 cup measuring cup. And we're going to be using that to make sure that we get the correct ratios of the apple cider vinegar. And I just want to break down the cost for you guys. For this bottle is $3.87. It's 32 full ounces, which is 4 cups. So it's about 96 cents per cup. And honestly, for this soak, the ratio we're going to be using is about $1.50 per soak, but you can use less to make it cheaper, or you can use white vinegar. You don't have to use apple cider. And I just want to show you guys some science-based evidence that this works. This is Dr. Axe. He has this blog on apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the part where he talks about nail fungus. So yeah, here it says, fungal infections like athlete's foot, toenail fungus, jock itch, or yeast infections can easily be treated with the help of apple cider vinegar. This is due to its anti-fungal and antimicrobial properties. He recommends using a spray, but for this we're actually going to be using a foot soak and also direct application. We're going to be using a special technique. I'm going to show you guys at the very end, so be sure to watch it so you don't miss it. So to prepare this foot soak, what you're going to want to do is take your foot bath and start filling it with 3 cups of water. And I'm going to be using hot water. I like my foot baths a little bit warmer than usual. And the ratio for water to vinegar, you want it to be 2 parts water for 1 part vinegar. So, you don't have to use the exact amount of vinegar that I'm using in this, but I do recommend using at least a cup. But in this, we're going to make it a little bit stronger. So I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, and we're going to be using 3 cups of hot water. And if the smell is too strong for you guys, what I actually recommend doing, because apple cider vinegar and vinegar in general can smell pretty terrible, what I recommend doing is actually adding some essential oils. You can use tea tree oil, lavender oil, or even Epsom salts. Dr. Teal's has some really great ones, or you can use an anti-fungal Epsom salts foot bath. I can put a link down in the description for you guys below. And so this is actually what it's going to look like. It's going to look like a pretty standard foot bath. And after that, go ahead, place it on the ground and soak your feet for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you're going to want to do this daily, ideally 2 times a day, but if not, once a day. And always remember to dry your feet. That's really important. And so guys, if you want to figure out how this guy cured his nail fungus, I'm going to show you guys what he did. It's something called the breathing technique. And no, I'm not talking about yoga, but in fact what I'm talking about is he directly applied this apple cider vinegar right to his nail and nail bed. And then what you're going to do after is press down on your nail with your fingers and then release. And do that 5 or 6 times. So press down and release, press down and release. And with that apple cider vinegar there, it's going to make your nails breathe and ultimately get the apple cider vinegar to those hard to reach places underneath your nail where the fungus is residing. Now, be sure to do this at least twice a day. And full disclaimer, what this guy did was he would actually alternate each day using apple cider vinegar and then the next day using hydrogen peroxide, using this breathing technique. And he did that for 3 weeks, and this was his progression. Honestly, pretty impressive. All you have to do is wait for your toenail to grow out. So that's going to wrap up this video. If you guys like this type of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and comment down below if you guys plan on using this, or if you guys want to see a different remedy